In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a gadget holder in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make the rectangle for the basic shape. We can place on this, and then we can set the length around a 300 millimeter and the length around um, 500 or maybe just 400 millimeter only. Okay, just something like this. Then we can make it smaller with the scale. We can scale it anyway. So and then we have to push it up anyway. We can push it up a little bit, and then we can choose this 2-point arc, and then we can type 60s. Okay, just like this, and then we can push it until the limit. And then we can push it until the limit also, and okay, we can just push it to the back until this position, and then we can also um, offset it inside. You can offset it inside just a little bit. Okay, to make a frame, and then we have to push it until the limit, and then we can move and press Control to duplicate, and then we can place on this position, and then we can make the connection between this we can make a connection. We can throw the line over there, and I'm sorry, okay, we have to place on this position. Okay, so then we have to make it group, and we can assign with material as we want anyway. Okay, something like this, and then we can make the illustration of the gadget itself. Okay, then we can scale it. We have to push it to the front. We have to push it to the front, and then we can make it group, and then we can place to the appropriate position of it. Okay, so this is about the gadget or portable. This is about the portable holder anyway. We can click it. We can click this, and then we can copy. So then we have to paste in place anyways, and then we have to push it to the front. Sorry. Then we can make group, and then we can uh, place on this position. This is some elastic component anyway, so it would adjustable as need about the weight of the gadget itself. So and then we can make the smoother corner of this gadget anyway, and then we can push it to the back. We can make a smoother corner. Then we have to push it to the back, and also this we can make it smoother corner, push it to the back, and push it to the back also. So and then we can place in this position, and then we can make the frame on this, or maybe we can just move it up a little bit. Okay, and then we have to make a little frame of it with offset, and then we can select the dark color over there. Okay, and then we can select the dark color more in this area. Okay, or maybe we can set the gray color of it. Okay, this is about the gadget holder anyway. Thanks for watching, and I hope it will make a lot of benefit to all of you about the basic shape modeling of this SketchUp, and just watch my tutorial in this channel. Thank you.